It is widely known that artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly referred to, is a transformative technology that's driving change in business, education, research, and communications. So with the help of AI for this season, we're taking content we've already created and delivering it in an engaging new format. We started by analyzing the previous 60-plus episodes and dividing them into shared themes and subjects. Each grouping was uploaded to Google's AI-powered Notebook LM, taking hours of insightful conversations with industry leaders, successful entrepreneurs, and subject matter experts, and condensing them into new 20-minute episodes. You will hear an AI-generated discussion that crystallizes various perspectives on a given topic and the essential lessons from each. These will include leadership, strategy, data science, innovation, and entrepreneurship. In producing these episodes, you'll see the value of AI in delivering a comprehensive view of each subject to our listeners. Given these changes, it's more important than ever that you send us your feedback. Be sure to provide your thoughts by leaving a review on your favorite platform, or email us directly at inreality, that's all one word, inreality@nyit.edu. And as always, thanks for listening.